Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be telling you how to grow petunia in your hanging baskets or in your flat pots, everything. These are the hanging baskets I have bought from nursery, around 30 rupees each. They are very, very durable. Around 2 years, we can use them, 2 seasons. They will take care and you can grow these plants in 2 seasons consecutively. And these are the plants I have bought from nurseries. They are the petunia plants in 4-inch pot. I have bought in 15 rupees each. These are the plants, and whenever you buy plants, try to get maximum different colors of plants because they look nice if you grow different colors of flower plants. And if you see one or two flower there, you can identify which color is there. So now I'll tell you how to grow petunia, the easiest to grow technique, and what would be the actual soil mix for hanging baskets or flat tops. These are the flat pots ideal for petunia around 5 to 6 inch height and around 10-inch diameter. These are the flat pots are the ideal because their roots don't get too deep. So these are the plants. Now I am showing you how to grow them. These are the bottom holes. I am covering with some broken chips of these pots, and you see these are the hanging pots. Here also I am putting one chip here so that the no soil drain out from here, but the water will drain out properly, but the soil will not go out from here. So this is the pots I am using, and I'll tell you easiest you can get these types of pots easily from the nurseries. They are easily available in most of the nurseries you can buy. And now I am giving you the soil mix, actual soil mix for petunia. The soil should be very very light, and I am taking around 40% cow dung compost or vermicompost, and in it I will be mixing 40% coco peat. So they will make very very lightweight mixture, and adding 20% dry garden soil, good quality garden soil here. If you want, you can skip with this garden soil part if you want more light soil. So this is the now I am mixing it properly. After mixing it, I will be adding two again component. One is the rice husk. Rice husk is a very slow release fertilizer. They make the porosity of the soil. They maintain the porosity of the soil. Therefore, after degradation, they are used as fertilizer. So they are the very very nice soil conditioner. Rice husk. If you get there, it is but it is not mandatory. It is optional. So everywhere you cannot get this rice husk. And in that add little bit of neem cake powder. Neem cake powder contains lots of micronutrients, and they are the antibacterial, antifungal, and some anti-insect, some insecticidal properties also. So add little bit of here neem cake powder. Now mix it properly, and after mixing it, this is ready for use. So now I am filling up the pot, and filling up the pot around 1/3 part of the pot fill up with this kind of soil mixture. And after that I'll be take out the plant from the pot here, see, and fill up the other pots also around, not much, because I'll be putting the plant with the root ball, total root ball with soil mixture. I will not remove the root ball from the plants because they are very very tender plants. So now take out the whole plant. You see here the some jute sticks for support of the plant. The plants the stems are very very tender and fragile, so you have to give support some. And here I am putting the whole root ball including the soil here. And after putting it, give the soil mixture here around the pot, and fill up, and keep around half inch to 1 inch empty at the top portion because you have to add water, apply fertilizer time to time. And now I am taking out the second plant here, and one plant is enough for one put. These are the sticks, and after that a couple of days I will remove all these jute sticks from here because they will ramify the plants, and there will be new branches will come out, and hundreds of branches will come out. They are the hybrid varieties of petunia. And if you want to pinch off, you can pinch off. If you don't want to pinch off, you can without pinching off. They'll branch, numerous branch you can see. Now the plant I am taking out from here, and see how to take out the plant. This is also a dicey thing. Now I am putting one plant here, and I will be putting another plant, two plants for a color combination here. If you want, you can grow one plant is enough for one pot because the branch, numerous branch you can see in single plant. And after that, putting the proper soil, water the plants properly because they need proper watering every day. You have to water the plants petunia. They need lots of water because they bloom every day. 20 to 30 flowers you can see from one plant. So in for flowering they need water, so you have to water the plants regularly. But one thing you have to, don't make the soil soggy. So this is the important thing. If you make the soil soggy, the roots may be rotten and then the plants will die. So this is the important, and time to time you have to pinch off the plant if you want, and for the making it bushy, more and more bushy things. And that's the thing you have to, and you have to keep these plants in full sunlight, especially in the winter season. You have to keep the full plants because they need sunlight, proper sunlight for proper blooming. And one or two thing I'll adding, the what fertilizer you have to add, that is very very important. The fertilizer we add maximum, the best fertilizer is the liquid mustard cake fertilizer. I have 100 gram of mustard cake I have dissolved in 500 ml of water, 1 liter of water, then 500 ml of this mixture. After fermentation 4 days, I have mixing 500 ml in 5 liters of water. That is all together it makes 1% solution. This is light yellow color solution. After 4 days I am applying in around 100 ml each. Once in 15 days, this liquid mustard fertilizer will bloom lots of blooms. And there, if you want, you can add little bit of this DAP in it. And the second thing is this Agromine Gold or Jaiva Sudha. This is the amino acid, fulvic acid, some, these are the humic acid, some micronutrients, lots of micronutrients. This is another Jaiva Sudha from Livix. And lots of brands are available, this micronutrients with this humic acid, fulvic acid, and around 200 rupees per kg, in on an average 200 rupees per kg. And if you apply this one, you don't have to, these are the micronutrients here, every kind of minerals you can see here, micronutrients, minerals, and humic acid, fulvic acid. And they are all granular form. So you have to take around quarter teaspoonful is enough for one plant, and they you apply quarter teaspoonful in 1 month. And they will take around 1 month to dissolve in this soil. That's why they are made in that form, that they take a long time for solution dissolving in soil, mixing in soil. So this is here, you don't have to apply this. Apart from these two fertilizer, you don't have to apply any fertilizer. After applying fertilizer, you have to water it properly. So these are the all taking care tips of this petunia and hanging baskets, and you can grow and you can get hundreds of flowers in this winter season. So all the best for coming winter season for growing petunia and all. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.